Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a list in Thunkable. Lists are fundamental for organizing information in your app, allowing you to store many pieces of data under one name. We will cover creating both fixed and changeable lists and how to display them to your users. Understanding lists is a crucial step for building more interactive and data-rich applications. Let's dive in and explore the possibilities. To begin with static lists, locate the Make a List block in the Blocks editor. This block allows you to define a list with a fixed number of items right from the start. Simply drag and drop items into the slots provided. For example, you might create a list of 3 menu choices or 5 color options. These lists remain constant throughout your app's operation, offering a straightforward way to manage unchanging data. Next, let's explore dynamic lists, which are far more flexible. These lists can grow or shrink as your app runs, responding to user input or data from external sources. You will use blocks like Add Item to List to append new entries and Remove Item from List to delete existing ones. Imagine a shopping cart where items are added and removed, or a to-do list that updates in real time. Dynamic lists are powerful for interactive applications. Finally, displaying your list data effectively is key. The List Viewer component is your primary tool for showing list items to users. You can customize its appearance, including text size and color, to match your app's design. For more advanced operations, like performing an action on every item, use the For Each Item in List loop. This allows you to process each entry individually, offering immense control over your list's presentation and functionality.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.